Alright, hopefully y'all loving the Montero content because we got some more today. Pretty much anything like maintenance I gotta do is pretty much what we're filming. So anyway, I'm gonna jack it up here because I gotta do an oil change and I gotta do these brakes in the front, or at least due to reasonable suspicion. So when I'm hitting the brakes, it's basically just, I don't know, just shaking. So I already bought them. They got a good feeling that's what it is. If it's not, then I'll get whatever it is because I haven't really looked at it just yet. Yeah, I'm gonna jack it up, get it up in the air, and then we're also gonna do an oil change on it because no matter what the person says, like when you buy it, like you always want to do your own oil change just so you know, you have that peace of mind. Got the jack stand and lower it just a little bit, just so it's on there. So I still got enough to get the wheel off and get my hand fully around it. I don't like it being too close to the ground. So I think it's 21. These off. There's only 5 on here, so I imagine there was a wheel lock at some point because each wheel is missing one, so I'm sure it was a wheel lock. That's a little trick to get the wheels unstuck. Throw that under there, just so if the jack and or the jack stand does fail, you'll at least land on here instead of landing on the ground. So anyway, these pads actually don't look that bad, so I'm gonna pull it off, see which one on the back side it looks like. This joint looks okay. Not crazy happy about how that looks, but there's no play there. Looks like we got a torn end link here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but looks like that's torn. Strut's pretty solid. Not sure what that is. Axle's damn solid, so yeah, let's just go ahead and pop this off and see what we're looking at. Also, I need to get that oil drained. Need to get that going. All right, well, even if you can see it from here or not, I checked the pads and they're fine. So that means I'm gonna return them, get my money back. And so I did find out what the issue is. So this one, like I said, the end link is torn. Over here, I get under, and this one's not even connected. There's no bolt, there's nothing. It's also torn, but it's just not connected because I noticed that this was moving back and forth. And I was like, yeah, that's not right. So anyway, I'm gonna get this splash shield off, start draining the oil, but I also gotta look and see if I got a bolt that can fit on the back, because that's just not gonna work. Just giving me those vibrations, and I don't like that too much. So yeah, always, I guess, do a little check under your car when you first get it. Just kind of look at everything. So I'm gonna pull this off. I can already see there's oil leaking somewhere, or there was. Probably more than likely there still is. So let me try and look for this bolt and get this splash shield off. Oh, yep. Oh, yep. We are completely fucked. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Looks amazing. Amazing. So yeah, oil pan most definitely has a leak. Jesus Christ, I mean, it's got all types of stuff all over this pump. Good times. Good times. So anyway, that's a problem for another day. That's exactly what that looks like. And this boot was coming off. Let's go ahead and get that boot back on there. Yeah, looks like another problem for another day. I like that. I like that. Let me start draining this. Filter is nice and easy to get to. Oh, but it was so loose. Hell, that alone is probably why shit's leaking everywhere. But I'll wait. I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. I'll wait. I'm sure it's other things too. It could just never be one thing, especially on a car this old. But again, this filter is old and dirty and nasty, so I'm sure this needs to be changed for probably quite some time. That's why we do it. We don't assume. Don't assume it's been done. This oil is dark, real dark. Pop this 16, 17 drain plug off real quick. Alright, what did I say? 16, 17? Let's see. Damn. It's not a 17, it's bigger. I'm gonna go 19. It's 18. You know, I just got a funny feeling. That funny feeling is gonna go everywhere. Funny feeling. Christ. Okay. Cowabunga. Chocolatey. Real chocolatey. It's just very, very dark. It's not milkshake, it's just very, very dark. Some of it got on the driveway. Alright, basically I was just putting the wheel back on and lowering the car because I want to have it level. You want to have it level when you check the oil. You don't want to have the thing be at an angle, otherwise it could read wrong. So enough talking, I'm gonna throw this in here. Yeah, 5.18 quarts, so maybe 0.2 could have still been left in there. That's why I'm checking. Especially when you do it quick. So, let's see here. I mean, it's definitely enough to start at 5 quarts. Hell, it's enough to start and run at 5 quarts, indefinitely. But alright, so 5 quarts is all it's gonna get. Yeah, so I tighten that back up, everything's down. I just gotta put the skid plate back on and then we are all good. I'm gonna start it up and try and look for a bolt for that sway bar end link under there, put one on, go get one, whatever, and move on with my life. On to the next project, on to the next thing. So